Hi, Madeline here from Sonic Bloom with a new episode of the Ableton Live Quick Tips. And this time I want to show you the fastest workflow for using the browser in Ableton Live. And the first thing we're going to do is press Command or Control F, depending on what type of computer you're using. And then we can just type something in the search bar. Now it depends on, do you already know exactly what the preset or the plugin or sample or clip or whatever you want to get to is called? So if you do, you can just simply type it in. And then you just have to use the arrow key down and press enter. And then it's going to be loaded in the MIDI track. Of course, you should make sure that you're not loading it into a MIDI track that already contains the device and where you want to keep the device. Yeah, so this is the first thing you can do. And then if you don't know what the device is called, we're going to press Command F, Control F again, press backspace or delete. And if you don't know what you want and you're just searching for something, say for a piano preset, you can just type it in and then you're shown all results. So that shows all the files that are named piano in any way. So there's samples, MIDI files, as you can see, and various presets. And so you can just press the arrow key down and then either scroll through all the options that you're shown under all results, or you can press the left arrow key and jump back to the left pane of the browser. And then you could go up to instruments and then press the right arrow key. And then let's say we want a sampler preset, and I can press the right arrow key again and then say go to that. And then I could just press enter if I want to overwrite the Dark Swarm preset. And that's it. And if you're done with the search, you can just press escape. And you're ready to do whatever you want now. I hope you found this useful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.